yes? What questions do you have for on any of these pages I could help you with? Which one? 4? All right. Number 4 is that this one. Earbud. I can totally hear it. And take the earbud out of your ear, please. Thanks. All right. Is this the right one? Cool. What is that? It is -5. You're absolutely right. But what is it as far as the graph? This is the y-intercept, the b value. So 0, -5.
Why are we writing it as a point and not writing it as -5?
Because it's a point. It's not a map of the slope. Oh, I didn't. I thought you were asking me.
No. Kids.
All right. What else do we know about this one? What else do we know? That's the slope. So remember, the slope is not a point. The slope is a map that we're going to use to find another point. Agree? So what am I going to do from -5 if I have a slope of 3/2? Giddy up 3, right 2. Good deal. Okay, connect the dots. Friends, notice you can see that I have 2 points that I have very much solid dots that I can see. Okay, so this kind of problem, I don't want to see this. I don't want to just see like some, like I'm just going to arbitrarily draw a blue line and hopefully, or whatever color I'm using. Don't do that, please. Okay, what else did you see on 125, 126, or 127?
Don't be shy. Ask it now.
Wait.
Can we do one of the problems where it's like not plugging, or was that the one that we don't plug it in? Like not like when we have like the 0 and then
0, blank, blank, 0. You want to see one like that?
Yes.
You got it. Let's see if I can find one. Not on the first page, not on this. Oh. So anything on page 126 is a cover method. So let's take a look at number 10. Sound good? 3x minus y equals 9. My friends, why do I know that I'm going to start this out this way? What is the obvious thing that we do? X and y on the same side. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is definitely a cover-up method. Now again, I know we do these shapes, and I always try and put some sort of color in there that makes me smile. So we'll go purple. So I bring it down here. So that shape right there is kind of sort of in a good way representing your finger. Okay? It's just if I put my finger down on this, you can't see it up on the board. Okay? Is that 0 X or Y? It's X. So I'm going to cover this up. So then I get -y equals 9. -y equals 9. So what does y equal if -y equals 9? -9. Okay? Okay. I'm going to plot that in a moment. Not yet, though. That 0 now. Talk to me about that 0. It's a y value. So basically what this is doing is saying, hey, 3x equals 9, so what number times 3 gives me 9? 3. Let's draw myself an XY axis best we can. Look at that. Using the straight edge tool works. All right. So 0, -9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 3, 0. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Again, I can see the two blue dots. I have arrows going both ways. And I have this shape here. What else did you see on the homework? Yeah.
Number 15.
15? All right. This is set up as point slope form. All right, so if this is point slope form, what is my point? So a reminder, I'm utilizing this and this, but something happens between those. What happens between those to get the point? Did I do what? I think you said it. Yeah. So notice the value. So it was a positive 1 when it was in the parentheses. It comes out as a negative 1. It was a negative 3 when it was attached to the y. Now it's a positive 3. We're ready to start graphing it because we have the point. All right. So negative 1, 3. It's right here. Agree? What more information does this tell us? What is this? It's what?
What's the M word?
Slope, yeah. Yeah, good. It's our slope. Okay.
Funny that they labeled slope as N instead of S.
Because it was the Swiss. M is whatever the Swiss word it relates. It stands for mountain in their language, and that's what it goes with. So a little useless history for the darn Swiss. They goofed it up. No wonder why they're neutral. All right. So negative 3 over 4. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3. Agree? Then I'm going to go right 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, friends, this is totally coincidental that is crossing at the x-axis. Okay? It's not always going to happen. Sometimes that point's going to fall. That isn't right on the lines.
And also, too, I've been trying to teach you guys this quick, easy trick. So if you take your pencil, and if you were to go on your graph, like a corner right here, I'm going to show you with my arm. If you go like this, you bring it. You see how my arrow's going down, 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 down? Is our slope negative? So our arrow should be going down. So is this graph correct? Yes. Okay, so that is a good way to double check yourself before you turn in your assignment. To be like, okay, is my arrow going the certain way it should? And you can just take your pencil, put it right here, and drag it from left to right, and that's it.
Okay. You guys all have a whiteboard, a marker, and something to erase with. And let's not erase on the person in front of us shirt again. I mean, I think it's funny, but you know, I keep getting phone calls. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding.
I was like, who just did that?
Yeah.
Stirrup, 9th grade, 1985. All right. My friends, we will make sure you have the slope equation up on the board. But I would like you to find the slope of these 2 points. See if you can figure it out. I have the slope equation up there. See how we did it. Trying to get myself comfy. A little too far to lean back, I'll fall asleep. Huh?
Are you a little sleepy too? I'm a little sleepy today.
No, I'm just dopey. Friends, what's the first thing I should do on this? Thank you. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay? And I know that some of you are like, I don't have to write that. And then I go grade your thing going, yeah, you did. Because you got it wrong. Well, I could do it in my head. No, you can't. Because you got it wrong. Trust me, I see your stuff. I grade fast, but I see errors that are always made. A lot of times students are like, that's too much for me to write that down. Really? You can't write X1, Y1, X2, Y2 to get an answer correct? Guess I'll see you next year in the same class.
And I would suggest writing it, like, even for me, it's just a good rule of thumb. So then, even when you start going into more complex problems, it's just better to label things so that you don't get confused in the long run.
All right, friends, what is Y2? What did I label it? 8. There's a subtraction sign. What is Y1? 7. What is X2? -2. There's a subtraction sign. What is X1? Do the arithmetic. Hey, we're allowed to have a calculator. Hopefully you make sure you bring one. 8 subtract 7 is?
1. Oh no.
Uno. -2 subtract 3. Very good. Hey, notice the negative showed up on bottom. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. There's our answer. You could also have this, or you could have a negative and like that. Yeah, it's your choice which one you want to do. I don't care. I can figure it out. All right. Let's do another slope one. Try it. See if you can figure that one out. And if you're not on the habit of writing the X1, Y1, X2, Y2, start. You'd be amazed the little tricks that we put in place are not going, oh, sweet. We're going to have the kids waste time by writing this down. We're going to waste lead and pen ink and lipstick and crayon. No. You have to have somebody write a lipstick. Ooh, hang on, I can do it in my head. Giddy up.
Yeah, yesterday I decided I was going to try and do one of these problems without X mark.
Sid, I want to see yours. I want to see yours.
What?
This problem on your whiteboard.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Let me see yours one more time. You're real close. But keep that out. You're gonna see where you might have made an error. You're not quite done. Do the arithmetic. You're real close. I think you're right, Jack.
Be careful.
You're real close. Keep that there, though. Keep that there. Sid, what'd you get?
-4 should be first, and then minus.
I think close. Is that a negative on the one? Keep an eye on that real quick. We're gonna look at it in a sec.
Switch your
Keep
y
an eye.
and your x. You're writing it as y1 instead of y2.
So a couple of you might have just goofed a sign. So I know I have this. So take a look what I have written up there. Take a look what I have written up there. What do we think? Yeah, so things that we have to recognize. What does this become?
A positive.
So 4 plus 3, -4 plus 3, -1 over -2. Now I saw a couple of you with this, which is great. What does this reduce to? No, it just becomes 1/2. Use the reduction of signs. So -1 over -2 is not technically right. I saw a couple of you that you went from this to this. I'm going to say this is wrong. You went to this. So you went from 2 negative signs to 1. Well, where'd one of them go? Huh? What happened?
There's some meatballs. I'm just gonna come hang.
Oh. So why does what?
Why do you reduce from the original answer to the half?
I would be totally fine if you left it as -1 over -2. I would. But the problem is if you went from the negative over negative to just a single negative, that's where it got incorrect. So that's what I was seeing on some of your guys's.
Why do you take away the sign?
It'll help you when we start writing the equations with 2 points. So just a few things. I mean, like right now, if you have negative over negative, that's just not a reduced fraction, which is technically fine on slope. I'm not going to dock you. But as we progress to the next unit, when we start right after our test, so our next chapter, we then start writing equations, and you want to reduce signs because then all of a sudden people start losing signs. All right. I want you to graph this. But before we graph it, my friends, how do we graph this problem? What's different about this problem than others? Yeah.
The X and Y are on the same thing.
X and Y are on the same side. So that means what method? I love it. Cover. And if we're doing cover, what should we write first? Because I'm trying to make you waste your time.
Zero, comma, blank, blank, comma, 0.
There you go. No, I like it. So let's verify. Oh, hang on. I can do it in my head real quick. I think you're right. Yeah, I think you're right. I think that's right. Let's just double check them. I think we're almost there. I think we're doing okay. Sid, what'd you get? Sid, what do we need to do to get you to pay attention? You already sat with me in a whole other math period. Sid's hanging out in my stats class too with a bunch of seniors. I think we're doing good. All right. Cover method, right? I think that's negative 2. Okay, and that's 7. Is that what you guys got? I think some of you did. Whee. All right, well, let's graph it. Whoop whoop. 0, -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what I got. So, let's see. My friends, I think what something I'd have up on the board for tomorrow is I might have this. And then right below this, I'll have 0, blank, and blank, 0. Okay? Now, is that problem worked out? No. AX plus BY equals C is just standard form. That's just the general equation with this. And then I'm giving you the subtle hint that if you have the X and the Y on the same side, you have 0, blank, blank, 0. You got to go solve it on your own. Okay? So there's only one situation that has X and Y on the same side. Agree? All right. Graph this one for me, please. Graph that one for me, please. Yeah, buddy. Mhm. Uh-huh. 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 So look how you're holding it. Is that the way you want it?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. Uh-huh. 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 I can't see yours. I can see yours. I can't see yours, Mary. Oh, you got a blank on both sides. Good. Yeah, go ahead. Up 3. Just left and right. That's it. This is one of the special cases, agree? So friends, think about this. If you can't remember if X is vertical or Y is vertical, think about which direction am I counting? I'm counting in the Y direction. The only thing that would make sense is connecting the dots. All right, if we have that one, how about we try this one? Try that one. Uh-huh. 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 Yep. 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 Wait, let me see your equation again. I think you have the wrong number down. Do you have that one written down? I thought you had y equals on yours.
I didn't write it, but I did it.
Gotcha. Let me see what you graph then. Gotcha. 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 Hang on, hold it up one more time. I think you're off a little bit. I think you have it moved to the right because this is negative.
Oh, I didn't see the negative. Sorry.
There you go. All right. Let's do another one of these. Try that one. Try that one. Too funny. Is that a -2, 0, -2 they have? It should be 0, -3.
How do we get 3?
Because -2 times what number gives me 6?
Oh.
I think so.
6 and then -6.
I think so. I think so. I think so. I think so. So if I'm saying I think so, I think you might be right, but let's just double check. So this is one that we're going to go 0, comma, blank, blank, comma, 0. So cover up the X, so I get 6 here. Cover up the Y, get -3 there. So 0, 6. -3, 0. Is that what you got? I kept saying I think so to a lot of people, but it's just because I wasn't sure because I didn't do it on myself. All right. Try that one. That's not a cover method. Careful on yours. Your slope went the wrong way. Yeah, I think so. Your slope went the wrong way. Slope went the wrong way. Slope went the wrong way. You're just wasting our time. Bye. Take your bag, go to your knee. So my friends, yes or no? What is my slope? 1 over 1. So up 1, right 1. Done. Okay. So that one was written like this. Agreed? Agree? All right. Try that one. That one's a little bit different because I'm missing what?
Oh, wait, no.
The y-intercept. If I'm missing something, that must be equal to what?
So it would just be the dot number 0.
And then, yeah, you're right. You're right. Yep. 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 Hang on, I forgot to take attendance. Can't take me anywhere.
You can't take me anywhere without getting.
Hang on, I'm taking attendance.
Wait, let me see.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, my first thing is this. The reason I know that is because I could put plus 0. Then I'm going to go up 1, right 1, and it looks just like this. Friends, I kid you not. This problem right here, in the past, has been the most missed problem on this quiz. See why? I don't know what to do then. I mean, look at how and honestly, why does it mess people up? Well, I'm missing this part. If there's nothing there, nothing in math is 0. Okay? All right. Let's try this one. No, I'm going to change it. Changing it. Okay. Try that one, see how you do. Is it that dead marker? Toss it. Please throw the dead marker away from me, please. Thank you, my friend. No, it's just 2 over 3. Your point is backwards. Your point's backwards. I think that's right. 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 Cool, let's look. Friends, what's my point? Remember what happens here? 1, and then what happens here? -5. Remember, the signs have to change. So 1, -5 is right there. What's my slope then? Yeah, 2 over 3. So up 2, right? 1, 2, 3. You see the error you made? You flip-flopped your X and Y. Huh. All right. So, friends, look at this problem, how it's set up. Look at the blue part. Agree? Agree? What do you notice on the right side with this problem? No, what do we have? What do we have on the right side with the X and the 1 and the 2/3? What's there? There's curved things. Parentheses. All right, ready? This is the second most missed problem tomorrow. Just what we've had in the past. Okay, oh, I gotta look at it. Yes. 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 Careful. Careful. Yes. You double check it when I go over it. Careful. I'm not sure where your point is on that one. Okay, let's take a look. So, friends, I'm going to rewrite this like this now. Right? It's the same thing. So I get 4, 0. So 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, dot. Slope is 2 over 3. So from here, I'm going to go up 2, right 3. Looks like that. Okay? So let me just go back through. So we have 2-point slope, special case. So I need you to do me a favor.
No, it's just annoying. All right, hey, real quick. Sturp is writing up 3 3 equations that you guys are gonna be using tomorrow. Okay? Please, real quick, hold on, listen up, guys. You still have about 4 minutes left. Please do not be that kid who says, I have no idea what the equations are when it's on the board. Please don't be that kid, because I will refer you to the board. Okay? Now, if you say, hey, Miss Stone, I'm using this equation, I feel like I'm doing it wrong, I don't know what to do, that's a question I'll answer. But if you're like, I don't know what equation to use.
Okay, friends, do me a favor. Rank these. So this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So write 1, 2, 3. Put smiley face if you're good with all 3. You put smiley face all the way down, or kind of like disgruntled face or frowny face. You can use the same thing multiple times. I'm just seeing where you're at. Smiley, frowny, K, 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 K. Huh? We're just graphing. Y equals mx plus b. All right, so the main one I saw this or this on is this one. Okay, so I'm just doing a climate survey. So the main thing, I will have this written for you on the board. But my friends, I would strongly encourage you, if you were that person saying, I'm struggling with this a little bit, make sure you feel comfortable working it. My videos are posted on Schoology. Which one should I watch? Maybe over the past 2 or 3 days. You can speed them up, slow them down.
You can also come to me and answer questions.
Yesterday? Cool. Okay.
I got today from yesterday.
You got it.
Absent, you know what I mean?
Absent, I know what you mean.
Even the homeland.
Can you grab the one?